Hello everyone, it's Catherine from My Hillside Garden. I bet you're wondering what this is all about today. Well, the vacuum bag is full. And I went into the cabinet and we haven't picked up new liners. So I have a predicament and I wanted to share with you how I take care of this because there is a way. As you can see, the bag is pretty full and most likely it's Wyatt's fur because he sheds a lot. So what I've learned to do, and I can do this at least once with each bag, is I recycle it. And I wanted to show you how because maybe you might be in a bind someday and need to change your vacuum bag and not have one. So let's take this out of here. Now, will this work for all vacuum bags? I am not sure. So you might want to check first before you go ahead and do it. Make sure you have a bag at home, and that way, oh boy, this is hard to do today. Make sure that it'll actually work. Now look at that. It's no wonder why I've been having a difficult time getting the vacuum to work properly, which is not uncommon. So we'll just take out some of that and put it in the bag before we take it upstairs. But now I'll really be able to vacuum well. So come see the next part. All right, I have everything I need, a pair of scissors and some packing tape. And what I'm going to do, very carefully, let's take that out so I don't make a mess, is I'm very carefully going to cut off the bottom of the bag. Now you might think this is crazy, but like I said, it works in a bind. And there's all Wyatt's hair, plus the dirt, but we give Wyatt the credit for filling the bag so quickly. And I don't know if you could really see, but that's mostly Wyatt down there. So then, and it's very dusty, so just take your time doing it. Then what I do is I fold over the end of the bag, not once, but twice, because you got to remember this is open and you don't want the stuff flowing back out at you once you start your vacuum cleaner. And then I take a nice strip of packing tape and I place that across the bottom, and I make sure to cover those ends to help keep the bag closed until I get ready to empty it. Will it last as long as the other bag? No, it doesn't. But in a bind, when you need to vacuum and you don't want to wait, I think I'm going to put some across the edges because the bag got a little bit dusty and it doesn't want to stick on this side. You don't want it coming undone. So now I'm going to go put the bag back in my vacuum cleaner, and I'll be able to vacuum at least today, probably for a couple weeks, but hopefully I'll remember to pick up more bags at the grocery store. So I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Give it a try if you need to, or you know it's an option. So thanks for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. I like to try to reuse what I have at least once. So have a great day.